Hi guys, welcome to question 9. And actually this question couldn't be more straightforward in terms of a differentiation question. Maths might be quite tricky, but you know they're saying, oh, find the derivative and use your answer. It's pretty straightforward. So we've got this function of x here, and we're told x is more than 0. Again, we always expect that when it's divided by 0. And yeah, it just wants the maximum. So let's go for it. So I'm gonna start by writing out f of x. So we've got 200 minus 250 over x minus x squared. It's one of those minus x squared. It's one of those unhappy quadratic graphs. Okay, so let's we can't do it in this form. So let's rewrite this middle term as 250 of x to the minus 1 minus x squared. Okay, so let's now find the derivative. So that's going to go. So this is now going to become a positive because I'm minus 250 times a negative 1. So it's 250, but we can have x to the minus 2. We're going to have minus 2x. Okay, and now let's pop this back in that form. So it's 250 over x squared minus 2x. Right, and a minimum point, sorry, it's a maximum, well that's it actually, that's it, done. So let's go on to B. So it says use your answer to part A, which is done there, to calculate the value of B. So this value here of B, obviously it has an x and a y, okay, and that's what we're going to have to find out. But we know, my mind's not quite horizontal there, but I'm trying to draw it so it is. So you know the derivative, the gradient function, is going to be equal to 0. So let's put that equal to 0 and start to rearrange it. Okay, you've got a few choices here. I'm going to just times by x squared. Let's get rid of this division. So 0, because x squared times 0 is 0. 250, the x squared is going to cancel there, minus 2x cubed. I'm going to add 2x cubed because I don't want my x term that I'm trying to find to be negative. So 2x cubed is equal to 250. Let's divide by 2 to get x cubed on its own. And you should see straight away here that you know that 5 cubed is 125. But again, you've got that friend in your calculator to help you there. Okay, so that's half the job done. We've got to find out what y is. And remember, yeah, here we go. Y is the function of x. It's just the same thing, really. So y is going to be equal to 200. So we're taking this original function now, this one here, minus 250 over 5, because that was our x value from there, minus 5 squared. I'll put that in brackets. So it's going to be 200 minus 50 minus 25, and we get 125. So it's worth just finishing by saying B is 5, 125. 5, 125. Okay, so that's the most straightforward question probably in the whole mixed exercise.